Good morning, Coastal Bend. We are chillier this morning. We're looking at temperatures in the 40s as you step out the door. Definitely make sure you are grabbing that coat on your way out this morning. You probably can shed it by late morning. We're already going to be in the 70s by about 11, 12 o'clock today. Then this afternoon, temperatures near 80 degrees, upper 70s for Corpus Christi. Brush country locations likely getting into the low 80s. We are going to be windy this afternoon, so definitely plan for that. Going to likely be a little bit of a nuisance with those gusts. We'll start seeing more of a breeze around 11 o'clock, so late this morning, gusting to about 25 miles per hour. Then this afternoon is really when those gusts are going to peak to be about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Check out these bottom numbers though. That's the relative humidity. Really what we're looking at is how dry we are at the surface. It's a comparison of the temperature and the dew point. We compare wind and relative humidity when talking about fire danger. These numbers the previous days were in the 20s and 30s. That's what they were yesterday. Today we're sitting at more of 40% in Corpus Christi. So that means moisture is increasing. But we are still so windy today that fire danger is going to be elevated in Corpus Christi. So we're looking at high fire danger around the coastal bend. More inland locations likely to be a little drier than we are closer to the coast, so they should definitely be cautious. Don't burn today. Definitely watch any activities you're going to be having outside to make sure they're not going to produce any sparks. Tomorrow, we'll likely continue to see elevated fire danger because of those winds, gusting to about 35 miles per hour again. But check out those temperatures. 88 degrees on Wednesday, 91 degrees on Thursday. These are potentially record-tying, record-breaking temperatures for areas in the coastal bend. On Thursday, that's the day I think we'll break that record here in Corpus Christi. That record was set at 89 degrees back in 2024. We again are going to look at 91 degrees on Thursday, so it's going to be warm, breaking that record. Those warm temperatures though in the 90s aren't going to last long. We fall back into the 80s on Friday after a cold front moves into the area. Now it's not going to do a whole ton for us in Corpus Christi except knock temperatures back down just a little bit, as well as our dew points. I don't expect any rain really here. That's all going to be more reserved to our northeast in those deep southern states in the United States. So today, enjoy those temperatures while they're more so out of the 80s. John Thomas.